Welcome to the Northern Virginia MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Virginia housing market, which includes these areas. Nationally, job growth remains modest but steady, with 162,000 jobs added between June and July. Over the 12-month period between July 2012 and July 2013, the U.S. gained 2.3 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and retail trade. Federal government employment continued to decline, however. The U.S. unemployment rate decreased to 7.4% in July, the lowest rate since 2008. Unemployment claims continue to fall and have reached levels typical of non-recessionary periods. Nationally, new construction, sales activity, and prices are up from last year, and builder confidence is strong according to the latest survey by the National Association of Home Builders. Inventory continues to be at historic lows, but it has shown signs of growth in recent months. Resident employment in Northern Virginia increased by 7,600 workers over the past 12 months. The unemployment rate increased to 4.7% from 4.3% a month ago, due primarily to a seasonal increase in the summertime labor force. Activity in the Northern Virginia housing market continues to improve relative to this time last year. There were 3,608 sales in July, 19% more than last July and the highest July total in the past 4 years. There were 3,553 new pending contracts, 9% more than this time last year and the highest July total since 2008. The 6,418 active listings at the end of the month represents a decline of 3% from last year. While the pace of the decline in inventory is slowing, the inventory of homes for sale is still 72% lower than its June 2006 peak. New listings are on the rise for the fourth consecutive month. There were 4,406 new listings in July, an increase of 27% from July 2012. At $425,000, the median sales price in Northern Virginia is 6% higher than this time last year, a gain of almost $25,000. This is the highest median price in July since 2007. The median days on market is only 11 days, 9 days lower than this time last year and the lowest July level in 8 years. Housing market demand continues to strengthen in Northern Virginia, with the number of sales and new contracts higher than this time last year. Tight inventory has also contributed to sales price increases, and while inventory is still at historic lows, increases in new listings have tempered the pace of its decline. That's the Northern Virginia MarketWatch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.